Hello guys, how are you? So today it was my day off for only one day. Sa mga sumusubaybay sa amin, so I quit rehab. I started working in a new job, but I'm still PRN on my previous job. So PRN nila is twice a month, but dahil we are very short of nurses, yung supervisor asked me to at least give them once a week. Yeah, which is fine. So, magkano ba ang PRN job? Actually, mas mataas ang offer nila pag PRN kaysa sa um, tawag dito, regular staff nila. I don't know why. Maybe because we don't have insurance. But, I'm vested na sa 403B nila. So, kapag sumisweldo ako, binabawas na nila yung 403B and then nag-grow lang siya. Ganun. Anyway guys, so I'm off today. I have work tomorrow. And ang dami na nangyari, no? And ito yung pre-shift ko na tomorrow I have work. I'll show it to you how, I adjust from night shift to day shift. From yesterday, I was working, so I came home this morning around 8:30. I slept until 2 o'clock, and then I'm awake, and until now, time check, it's 11:30, and I'm still awake. So, this is very seldom sa akin mangyari na 11:30 is gising pa ako. Usually, I'm sleeping already at 10. But I don't know, this past few days, I'm very, hindi ako makatulog unless I take melatonin or any other, sleeping medication. O kung hindi ako makakatulog ng maayos tomorrow. And ayokong pumapasok sa work na tawag dito na inaantok. Ayoko I don't want to be one of yung mga nurse na natutulog sa station or inaantok. Pag nagwo-work ako, lagi ako naka-alert kasi I don't know, I just feel like may mangyayari. So, anyway guys, I'll try to sleep tonight and I'll see you tomorrow on my pre-shift. Kung ano bang ginagawa ko or ano ba yung schedule pag night shift. I don't know with you guys, maybe you can share how do you do it in night shift. But, I was reading comments and sabi nga, kahit mahirap ang work dito sa Amerika ng mga nurses, isipin mo na sa Pilipinas is hirap na hirap din ako noon.
Is it still breathing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Probably just wait, see what that. It's able to fly on its own.
Dare me. Dare me.
Okay, don't scare her like that. Just leave him there for a second so he recovers.
Alive?
Yes, still alive.
Still alive? What happened?
Maybe stunned. We'll see.
Oh, okay. Hopefully the hawk won't see it. So, let's go sa Aldi. Mamili tayo. Mag-grocery tayo the day before my work later. Ngayon, dito sa Aldi na to, need mo ng barya kasi dun mo para magamit mo yung card. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung tamang barya. Or gamitin ko na lang yung bag ko. Oh my gosh. Ano ba yung barya ngayon? Parang iba. one is really good. This one is good. Mura din dito ah. Hindi ko alam kung mura, parang pareho lang din naman. May mga salad din sila dito. Kasi Caprice. Matry nga ito. Macaroni and cheese. Need niya to. See this one. Let's try it. Hindi ko alam kung anong cheese sa burger. Yun. Cheese tray pala yun. Cheese. Sige nga, ito na nga lang. Mozzarella. Now we're home. Let's see how much. O kung ano-ano yung mga nabili natin. Wait lang. So, we have this burger. I got 2 of this brioche burger bun. And then, oh my god, I got the wrong ones. This is a crab cakes. So, there's 2 kinds of crab cakes. This is Maryland and this is Boardwalk. Okay, so if you are here in the US and you have all these nearby, this is the best crab cakes, I'm telling you. Even if you know, in the restaurant that we ate, never had a good crab cakes. Maybe one time, but I forgot where it was. I think it was in California, but not, no. And then after that, never. Ito talaga ang the best na crab cake. Walang filler, konti lang yung filler niya. I don't know, I got 2 of this, but because the red one is much better than this green one, but they're both good. Vietnam, product of Vietnam. Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this. Yeah, masarap siya talaga, promise. And then the smash burger, we got yesterday, but I got another one. Which is $8 for 8 pieces. So, hindi na masama kasi sa Publix, if you buy burger, we get like 4 pieces for $8. And then, I want to try this one, that one. And then, bumili ko ng mashed potato kasi si Phil, meron siyang meatloaf dyan sa fridge. And then, I got also mac and cheese. And this one is also good. So if you have all these nearby, yan. And then I got the cheese for the burger. And then Capri pasta salad. I'll try this one. Maybe I'll bring some for work. And that's it. So all of this is $66. $66.68. Tax is $1.95. Ayan, ang nabili natin for today. Not bad. I just went there for the crab cakes, but you know, I said might as well buy some other stuff. So, yan. So, today, may work ako, kakain muna ako. Oops. Kakain ako, and then I will sleep. So, this is my pre-shift muna, no? Pre-shift ko siya for later. Piper! Where is she? Pre-shift ko. So, time check, it is, let's see, 11. So, dahil hindi pumasok si Bibi, dahil sabi niya hindi daw magandang pakiramdam niya. So, wala akong susuluin ng 2. Kakain muna ako. Tapos, matutulog. So, ito yung parang routine ko kung walang pasok si Bibi. Kasi ako nagsusundo kay Bibi. Ngayon, tinanong ko naman si Phil. Sabi ko, do you want me to pick up si Danica? Sabi niya, wag na daw. Siya na lang daw magpipick up. So, siya lahat ang gumagawa sa bahay. Sa bahay? Hindi, sa umaga, siya ang nag-aasikaso sa mga bata. Siya ang nag-aasikaso sa mga pagkain nila. Siya ang nagbibihis kay Bibi. siya lahat. Kasi kung wala ako, wala naman siyang katulong. So, siya din naman talagang gumagawa. So, siya mapipick up kay Danica. Pero pag wala akong pasok, ako nagpipick up kay Danica. Tapos kay Bibi. So, yun ang routine namin. So, just lucky na si Phil hindi nagrereklamo na siya ang lahat ng gumagawa dito sa bahay. Kasi which is totoo naman, siya naman talagang nag-aalaga kay Bibi sa umaga, siya bumabangon ng maaga. Kahit guys may pasok ako, hindi niya ako iniistorbo. Hindi niya ako iniistorbo sa umaga para magbantay o magbantay para magbihis kay Bibi o kay Danica o magluto ng pagkain nila sa umaga. Siya lahat ng gumagawa nun. So, yun. Buti na lang di siya nagre-reklamo. I think kung ibang husband yun, nagreklamo na yun. Ito yung tsura niya guys, crab cake. So, air fryer ko lang siya for 14 minutes. Frozen siya. I promise you guys, this is the real deal. Ang sarap niya. Para siyang hindi frozen na galing sa sa grocery store. Tapos ito yung frozen, yung smash burger. Kaya ako na lang siya lulutuin para mamaya sila feel. Init na lang nila tapos saka nila i-toast yung bread. Yan. So yun guys, ang ating pre-shift. You know, I just ate and then slept and then went to work and then that's it. So, yun ang routine namin kapag may pasok ako. I just sleep the whole day. That's a 12 hours shift. No. Before I was like, I don't think I can do 12 hours shift, but then I got used to it na at least I have like long days off, you know, you can have 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, you know, 8 days maximum kung marunong kang i-schedule yung sarili mo. Which is right now, I cannot do it as a float nurse because I'm new and yung schedule ko is dapat tugma sa schedule ng preceptor ko. Which I am having a problem, not a problem. But yeah. Well, in the next vlog, I will sabihin ko sa inyo what is a float pool and what's my experience in my new job, if I like it there better than my previous job, you know. That's it. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next vlog.